Hello. In today's video, I'm reviewing the most popular best curtain rods to see which one truly deserves the top spot. Let's jump right into the details. Product number 1. Amazon Basics Room Darkening Blackout Curtain Rod. To get things rolling, I am thrilled to showcase a top-tier contender right away. I am talking about the Amazon Basics Room Darkening Blackout Curtain Rod. You will instantly notice the stunning attention to detail. It feels incredibly solid, giving off a highly premium vibe. When it comes to performance, it solves common frustrations effortlessly, providing an incredibly smooth and versatile experience. It is packed with smart, quality-of-life enhancements that you rarely see, heavily elevating the overall user experience. The built-in stability offers immense peace of mind, freeing you from the burden of frequent technical resets. I highly encourage you to tap that first link in the description to see how surprisingly pocket-friendly it actually is. Backed by over 61,902 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.7 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. If you want to take your setup to the next level, you genuinely cannot go wrong here. Product number 2. TEECK Shower Curtain Rod. Up next, I are looking at another brilliant piece of engineering that holds its ground. I am talking about the TEECK Shower Curtain Rod. The structural integrity is second to none, showcasing a robust frame that feels virtually indestructible in everyday scenarios. Diving into functionality, you will be blown away by how consistently it delivers top-notch results without skipping a beat. The manufacturer clearly prioritized maximum user comfort and accessibility, placing controls in the most natural locations. It operates with remarkable stability, easily making it one of the most dependable and stress-free options available. Instead of guessing the cost, you can instantly see today's best deal by clicking the direct link provided down below. Backed by over 29,885 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.5 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. If you want to take your setup to the next level, you genuinely cannot go wrong here. Product number 3. KAMANINA Curtain Rods for Windows 72. Progressing further down our list, I find an absolute powerhouse of a device. I am talking about the KAMANINA Curtain Rods for Windows 72. The build quality here is simply exceptional. It utilizes premium materials to ensure long-lasting durability even under heavy use. What makes this special is its dynamic responsiveness. It intelligently adapts to various situations to keep you operating at your best. It seamlessly integrates into any modern setup without requiring complex configurations or deeply technical knowledge. Furthermore, regular maintenance is almost non-existent, saving you massive amounts of time and unnecessary energy. It frequently goes on massive seasonal sales, so I highly recommend tapping the link below to verify the current price. Backed by over 25,699 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.7 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. Making the choice to add this to your collection is a decision you will definitely thank yourself for. Product number 4. Umbra Twilight Double Curtain Rod Set. Up next, I are looking at another brilliant piece of engineering that holds its ground. I am talking about the Umbra Twilight Double Curtain Rod Set. You will instantly notice the stunning attention to detail. It feels incredibly solid, giving off a highly premium vibe. It dramatically outpaces standard expectations, tackling complex and demanding tasks with absolute ease and zero lag. One of my favorite aspects is the sheer simplicity of its interface, brilliantly masking the sophisticated technology underneath. You can confidently trust this device to perform beautifully day in and day out without requiring constant monitoring. Get the absolute maximum value for your hard-earned money by monitoring the live price via the link in the description. Backed by over 20,169 verified reviews, It proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.6 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. Ultimately, it is a deeply rewarding investment that genuinely lives up to its massive hype. Product number 5. GXOACKJ Curtain Rods for Windows 32 to 48 inch. Next up, I want to introduce a phenomenal choice that really caught my attention. I am talking about the GXOACKJ Curtain Rods for Windows 32 to 48 inch. Right out of the box, the premium craftsmanship shines through immediately, ensuring it will last for a very long time. What makes this special is its dynamic responsiveness. It intelligently adapts to various situations to keep you operating at your best. It seamlessly integrates into any modern setup without requiring complex configurations or deeply technical knowledge. Its highly energy-efficient nature quietly saves you money in the long run, adding tremendous hidden value. The price-to-performance ratio here is mind-blowing. Go ahead and visit the link below to check out the latest live promotions. Backed by over 15,578 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.4 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It provides a masterclass in combining functionality with design, earning my highest recommendation. That's it for our top picks. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Check the description for links, and I'll see you in the next video.